Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, and this is day 10 of our BITSAT English series. Sorry I wasn't able to upload the videos for past 3 days because of some technical issue with my device. Extremely sorry for that. The videos for the previous days, like whatever is missing, will be uploaded in mostly today or tomorrow. So you can attempt the quiz according to your time, your pace. Doesn't matter, just write whatever you solve in your notebook, so it would be better to revise afterwards. If you haven't attempted this quiz, then go to the description box and click on the link. Solve this. If you score below 10 anything, then come here, watch the video to see what you got wrong, because I'm explaining it over here. If you got all right, tell me in the comment box. Yes, so let's begin. The first here is rectify. So rectify means to build. No, it definitely does not mean to build. Rectify means to correct something, to correct someone. Rectify the design, rectify the situation. Rectify means correct over here. It definitely doesn't mean destroy or to command either. It means correct. Forestall. Forestall means to prevent someone from doing something. So the closest option here for forestall is to prevent, not to avoid, frighten, or disappoint. It means to prevent. So C is the answer here, prevent. Next is paramount. Paramount, the meaning given in the dictionary is a person who is superior to others. We have to see what is closest here, which option is closest to the definition. Very important. It can be, but we'll see what is more close to the real definition. Wide and extensive, definitely no. Above others in rank of authority. Yes, this is our answer. Superior to others, above others in rank of authority. C is our answer. Famous, no, not famous. Paramount is above others in the rank of authority. Placid. Placid means to pacify someone. You can write it down in your notebook. This is important because sometimes even in comprehension, meaning of some phrase or some word is asked, so it might be repeated, so write it down in your notebook very properly. Placid is to pacify. Parasite. So now whoever studied biology might be knowing what parasite it is. It is an insect which lives on another animal or plant's body. Right. So loss of motion, no. Exterminator, no. I'm telling it's not exterminator, but your task for today is find out meaning of exterminator. Yes, and tell me in the comment box below what it means. Parasite is a disease. No, it's not a disease. Parasite is one that clings. Yes, exactly. That's what parasite. It clings to the person's. It clings to animals or plant's body and takes nutrition from his body. So this is the last question of today's quiz. We'll stop the video here. I wanted to ask you guys something, that I was planning to make a series for like 50 synonyms, 50 antonyms, and release it after a gap of 10-15 days. So what do you guys think? Is it a good idea? Should I release that kind of series? Please tell me that in the comment box as well. So I'll end the video here. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.